Hello guys, like you say, we continue now the assembling of the engine. Let's take a look where we leave the job. We say that on the last video that we tied the head cylinder and we installed the lifters. Now, before we will forget, Joseph, please. Before we will forget, like I say, let's put the filter now. This is the direction of the filter, actually centering here. And you can put it, because we will forget, it's like something small. And this is the solenoid. We'll just put in it, don't forget. Now, we will go to the most complicated part of the, for me, the most complicated part, the balancer. The timing of the two balancer with a crankshaft. Now, the torchlight is here. Please, Joseph, first of all, we have to be on TDC. Like we are, because I put before the marks last time purposely. Wait. The valves are closed. So what we have here? Here is the mark on the plate. Inside we have another plate that is not showing. I put a Tipex, so we'll be able to see. This is the balancer that is from the intake side, and this is for the exhaust. Each one have marks. We use Tipex also. Let me take the chain. The chain also have marks that they will help us to locate and find everything out. Now the main thing is that we need to put, let's install the, first of all, let's install the adjuster. We have locked it here. This is the adjuster for the balancer chain. Just to put it to be standby. And now the nightmare, how I call it, will start. Let me show you the difficult part of the timing is here. We see this is idling gear. This idling gear have a mark here and here. This mark under here, it have another gear. If you turn it, is this hole, but you will not be able to see it, so we put a mark. Now, please Yusuf, help me close here, so I will be explaining. The double one is coming to this side, in the middle. Yusuf, just help me to hold. Here the nightmare begin. But anyway, go up a little bit. So as you can see, the mark is going in the middle, yellow, left and right, the gear inside. Now here we need to locate the other one. Here now is the trick. Hold the chains tight like that. We need to synchronize the yellow part that is coming here with a balancer that is coming here. Now, we never finish, and we are not lucky, by the way, as I'm checking. Let's put in this rail, Yusuf, the interior. So we'll secure tight. Tighten the up one, I want clearance. Tighten the up one, that is more. I can't leave it, I'm not on marks. Wait now, take this one, put also, don't tie it totally, put just leave it like that. Wait, let me balance this one. Where is the bolt? Let me stand up also to check if I'm inside. We are inside. Show us, Joseph, that we are inside. Inside here, put the bolt. We are on these marks too. Here down we are on marks. Here is on mark. Tight this bolt also. Let's put in this rail here. As you see, you need two people to work on the same. Ben, give me the small 1/4. Where is the small? This one, okay. Where? 14. Just tight it. Yusuf, tighten this side too. Where is the rail? This one you put the bolt. Just tight it. And we need to put the rail now. The rail is coming here. Tight with 12. Even the smaller ratchet. Give me the. Let's just to secure them. This one. The ring. Ring. And now let's take a look again at the marks. Please, Joseph, let's start from down. Give me the screwdriver also. We see here is in the middle. Plate mark. We are coming here. We are on the spot correct. Here we are okay. When the chain will adjust, it will come. And here back, come from this side, you can see the gear. A little bit down the camera, Joseph. You see it's here. So it's aligning with here. And what we will do now, the magic thing, remove the locker. This is the way how we are doing timing chain alignment of the balancer. Now what we need to do, we are on TDC. Let's bring the prepare rocket arm, camshafts, and let's make the preparation to prepare the head cylinder for the main timing alignment. By the way, some information, come closer. We are putting now the valve caps. They are the valve caps, okay. They are the valve caps. Mr. Yusuf is helping us. Let's show here the specification of the tidying. By the way, the 12 bolts, all of them, they are 18 Nm. So we are using even the balanced one, and just this is the tensioning. This one. Where else we are? We don't have anything else. Here also. And the tensioner. So we start putting the rocket arms. By the way, as I say, we are on TDC. We are on TDC, and what we will do now, we will locate the intake and exhaust camshaft in this position that they will not press the valve. And usually, since we are on TDC, this means that the first cylinder that is here, the valves are closed, meaning that this loop have to look up. Let Mr. Yusuf to finish. Okay, you finish the intake side. Can I put it? As I say, we are putting it with a loop on the top, like that. Is it, and exactly the same we will do for the exhaust side. The exhaust side is ordinary sprocket. Here is the mark. We will mark it. Let's do it immediately. This is for better visibility and for us and for the video. You put in this one now too. Here, as you see, they sit, and we can put the caps. Let's prepare it. Let's prepare everything, and we'll continue the video with the main timing alignment. So, please come closer. Let's give some explanations. We already located the camshaft caps. They have a direction. The exhaust, they have the E mark. The intake, they have the I, and they are going by number. We are tightening with 16 Nm, and we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22. Is 22? No. Παπάρια, ξανά από την αρχή. Let's change the angle because I can't see nothing because of the sun. Ready from the beginning?
From the beginning.
So, as we put the components on the head cylinder, let's explain and the method here. We are putting the camshaft caps. They have also marks and arrows. The intake they have I and number. The exhaust, they have E and number and error. And the way to tie them is like that. First of all, the final tightening with a torque meter is 16 Newton meter, and we start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, or opposite, but the way is to be a circle and similar tightening. After that, and installing also, don't forget, because it's attachment with to install the oil line, very important. You see here, 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 here. We need to make the timing alignment, the main timing alignment, camshaft to crankshaft. And how the thing happens. First of all, we have the color, the change with the magic colors that assist us to make fast timing. Here also, because it's single, it's easy. We have the dot here on the exhaust side, and here on the intake we have a line with a dot. What we are doing now, we are passing, Yusuf, please help me down because I don't want to hook anywhere, and we are locating the, give me the 17. We are locating the, here like that. Let me sit down also. Oh, now here down, we need to put it on the mark. I dot again. Yusuf, please install the rail. You have to enter inside here. Yes. You put. Put in the down knot. It's here. This one. This is the knot. Let me assist you too. I'm still holding it here. Now what we want to do is very important to don't lose here the mark. You see how I lost it? Let's put the rail. Put the rail. Put the rail. I will explain you why. Pass it. Be. Wait, Yusuf, wait. Give me the 17. Give me the 17. It's here. Hold this one. Hold this one. You are holding it. You don't slip. This is a little bit also. We need to tight here. I missed. Wait. Give me the 19. The rim, small, because we are not exactly on the TTC. Leave it to me. Leave it to me, leave it free. Leave it free. Okay. Go opposite. Small. Opposite. Go. 10. The other side. Go. The other side. No. The opposite. I want to enter here, Yusuf. More. Yes. Now take all this clearance and put the rail. Put it from down, remove the bolt. Now put the bolt. Remove the knot and the bolt so you put the tight. Remove this one. See the watch.
I want it tight.
Eh? Give me the, I want to check something. Day 19. Put. Take. Here we are. Tight the tent. So here we are, Joseph. Again, two people have to work on it. In other case, you need to use tie wrap and etc. Here we are on marks. Tight. Tight the 12 too.
Small ratchet.
Tighten. Tight this one. Tight. We are releasing, and here we are. And the last component that we are putting is this one on the top. Put the bolts. And this is the timing alignment for a 2tr with single VVTi system. Not the dual have any difference, is the marks. It's exactly the same style. Here also we are exactly on the same style. Generally we are okay. So let's do some things and continue to put covers and etc. Finishing everything before we install the cover. Brand new oil pump, water pump, everything. We make one last test and we retie everything. So you can see on the top we mark all the bolts with Tipex. Here we did the same thing, and let's take a look one more time the timing. Here we have the exhaust side, intake side, down is the crankshaft, here down is the balancer, here we are on marks, here we are on marks, and Mr. Joseph, please by this side come. We will see here, bend it small to, we are on mark, and inside is showing also the white. So we are okay, accurate 100%. Now what we'll do, we will clean with thinner or petrol some surfaces because oil have pass, and we want to use sealant and etc. And we will start the preparation of the main cover. This is our main cover. Here it is. This is the bolts. Some bolts extra that they have. And what else we have inside? Nothing. So let's start the preparation here. The cleaning these surfaces because they are oily because of our own work, and start putting the cover, because if we don't put the front cover we can't close the sump from under. Let's continue. And you can see that we put the front cover complete, brand new. And Mr. Joseph, please. Here you have to be careful to align the oil pump with the crankshaft. When we apply the gum, immediately we put it, because it's RTV gum, we put some extra bolts that they are containing extra components. When the gum will dry, we will remove it because we want correct attachment. And now the job is easy. We don't have not to say, we can talk more and more, but we point and we show you people the most important things about this engine, about the secret of this engine, and how a correct repair have to be done. What I want to say only, here now we have to put, this is the seal for the valve cover. We will close the valve cover. We will attach the front seal and the rear seal. We need to put the sump, flywheel, clutch set, disc and plate, manifolds, and we are ready to put the engine inside to the vehicle. The only thing that I want to say about the valve cover on the top, we don't need to apply too much power. 8 to 9 Newton-meter is okay. For the sump, the same thing, because most of the people, they used to break the bolts. We need to start with 6 perimetric and after 8, because here we put RTV gum also. The flywheel is common, it's not something difficult, and that is the repair actually. So we already point the key spots, locations of this vehicle, how to do timing, how to do balancer timing, where is the location of the VVTi system, the filter I mean, how we are testing the crankshaft, how we are putting the pistons, where we give attention, why we give attention, and all this information. So from our own spec we are finished. Thank you very much to watching us. Please a request, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.